यारां ने खाइयां कसमां हुण चक देण फट्टे वीरां दी टोली आई दंद कर देण खट्टे ले बल्ले पंजाबी पंजाबी.
So Kings 11 Punjab, right? I mean, I think their foreign picks are good, okay, because the Puran, Glenn Maxwell, Chris Jordan, Sheldon Cottrell, Mujibur Rahman, they are good. There's no doubt. Jimmy Nisham is also there. Their foreign players are good. The starting lineup, I don't think Chris Gayle will be a part of the team. That's my point. I think Chris Gayle won't be there as a part of the team in the starting. They will open with KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal. Mandeep Singh will be first down, Puran second down, and Maxwell third down. They will have to look at they will have a problem in their fourth and fifth, right? Where I feel that Deepak Hooda and Gautam will be playing because they Hooda has played in IPL and he has also
played in IPL. He has done well.
Yeah, so he will be there.
But I think Karun Nair might get a look in. Karun Nair
can only come in place of Mandeep Singh or Mayank Agarwal.
Number three is will be good for Karun Nair.
Let's look at their bowling. They have good bowlers and very good spinners. Mujib will open the bowling because he has been opening bowling. He can open the bowling. They will open with Mohammad Shami and Mujib. Okay. Chris Jordan is a very good death bowler. And Bishnoi is too good, and we have to really keep a watch on Ravi Bishnoi. They are, if you look at their bowlers, right? Jordan, Sami, Bishnoi, Mujibur Rahman, all are complete bowlers. They can who are formidable bowlers. But to back them up, Maxwell will also bowl. Deepak Hooda will also bowl, and Gautam can also bowl. So they have the repertoire. Maxwell can spin, and Mujib is a good bowler. Opening the bowling is good. Bishnoi will control the middle overs.
Mujib is really good at opening. Yes.
Bishnoi will control the middle overs, and Jordan is good at death bowling.
Yeah, they have got a formidable side. But the only thing is that
on paper, I think they are the second best side, according to me.
Middle order is a little suspect, I think.
With
they have to find the right.
More suspicious part is opening. अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि गेल नहीं खेलेंगे तो फिर
राहुल और मयंक अग्रवाल
उनका फिर फर्स्ट डाउन प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाएगा ना. अगर
Mandeep Singh is a very good player. Mandeep Singh has been playing in T20 circuit. काफी
Mandeep Singh and then again that's where I think Karun Nair can control the game at number 3 or 4.
Correct.
Karun Nair is in the mold of actually Ajinkya Rahane and those type of actually Surya Kumar Yadav.
Karun Nair में से कोई एक खेलेगा. And see,
अगर गेल आ जाते हैं तो I guess KL Rahul should perform on the first down, right?
गेल किसके बदले आएगा? गेल यदि आएगा भी, गेल will come in place of.
Gayle is a foreign player. Gayle is not a very good fielder. Bowling of Gayle also might help. Gayle slip में he doesn't field all that well since a long time. But it has to be again seen, Bibu. Again, the whole X factor thing in this tournament is people not having practice, and then you don't know how the starting 11 will look like, and teams will have to make changes and actually see. They might have something in mind, thinking that okay, this is the playing 11, but you don't know with not so much of match practice for such a prolonged period. I think that's going to be one of the most important factors in this IPL. I mean that is going to so you cannot completely rule out Gayle, but then Gayle is quite old now. He's not at his best. Definitely not at his best. But yes, I mean
आप ऐसे पिच के लिए गेल को नजरअंदाज भी नहीं कर सकते जहाँ पे वो बड़े हिट लगा सकते.
गेल को कहीं भी आप नजरअंदाज
के साथ प्रॉब्लम होगा. स्पिन में प्रॉब्लम होता है. गेल फंसता है यदि ओपनिंग बैटिंग करेगा. गेल तो ओपनिंग ही करेगा. यदि कोई स्टार्टिंग बॉलिंग कर रहा है स्पिनर के साथ, गेल फंस जाता है. गेल का एक्चुअली ही आल्सो वांट्स द बॉल टू कम टू हिज बैट. ही इज नॉट वो ज्यादा ये नहीं करता है. स्पिनर लोगों को
वो तो पेस
प्रॉब्लम है.
पेस भी यूज करता है. But KL Rahul, even if Gayle plays, my point is KL Rahul should not drop himself too much below the order. जैसे मतलब इंडियन टीम में he plays okay, ठीक है, number 5 is one thing. But here I think he should not go lower than 3. If agar he doesn't open, then he should bat at 3 because he can then take charge of the game. The form he was in, again, 6 months is a long period. We don't know how he's going to be actually, whether the ball is going to come to his bat, he's going to feel comfortable, etc. But he should not bat lower than number 3.
Yeah, so I think so. Mandeep Singh and Karun Nair में choice रहेगा to play. I mean, see, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Karun Nair, all three of them from Bangalore. Okay, that's a considerable amount of camaraderie which is there. They might look at that, right? Because if you play from one state, you have been playing for ages, then obviously there is some camaraderie in the top order which will help them. But I think Mandeep Singh is a much more established T20 batsman than Karun Nair. That's why I put Mandeep Singh. My take is that Deepak Hooda is a strong, hard-hitting batsman at lower down the order, and Gautam is also a very strong kind of bowling, kind of all-rounder kind of. You can
bowling all-rounder. Yeah.
One point
I agree with this time. Yeah.
I think Cottrell and Jordan are more or less same type of bowlers. Okay, Cottrell.
No. Jordan is no. I will not agree with that. Jordan is better. 2020. Jordan is better.
But I don't know why they purchased Cottrell at such a high price.
I don't know. I did not see any value for that. But then again,
I think the same thing played Ashkan because they were playing for Mohali. They would have if Cottrell would have opened.
That calculation has gone wrong for a lot of things.
That calculation has gone wrong. And they are key players. I think I will rate the most valuable player for their team is Rahul and Shami, because Shami is definitely is established right now. And youngster to watch is Bisnoi, Sarfaraz, and Ishan Porel. Ishan Porel, I have not put him in the opening lineup, but again, three of them coming from under 19 ranks. They are future players to look at. Ishan Porel, I am not putting right now because with Sami, Jordan, and the Dubai, Abu Dhabi kind of pitches, he doesn't come in. But